friends, welcome back to another episode made by Mr. Mouse, which is me. And today we shall read the book called, wait, what? Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. I love your books, by the way. Anyways, but it says don't touch the button. I put a curse on you. A curse? Man, it's not the time for that. Well, too bad. I shall make you a curse that you should touch the button. But it says don't. Don't read that. Anyways. Oh, I need to touch it now. Oh, it says don't. Oh, I'm just gonna read the book. Storyteller, help me. Okay. I'm just go sit back here watching the beautiful red button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. But I do want to push it. Don't you kids? That beautiful red button. Seriously, don't even think about it. But I am. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. I want to push it too. No! We mustn't! We mustn't! We can't! Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. I'll do it! Okay. It says one little push. Wait. Push it again! What do you mean lightly or, I did too hard! Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot! Push it twice! Oh no! Eek! Now there's two of me! Push it a bunch of times! Help me, mouse! Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Just a couple more. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Wait, isn't that almost the real Larry without the blue horns? Anyways. Come on, get out. Get out! Why is there so much, by the way? Okay. Whew. Almost. A little more. Okay. Okay. I think that's enough. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Okay, I'll hold one. And let's do a tiny one, and massive. Okay. The end. Oh my God, this became huge with all his friends back there. Don't push the button. didn't follow the rule, but it did make the book a bit more exciting anyways. What? Who said that? What? Who said that? How could you? You said don't push the button, and you made me do a curse so I would push it, so I did. Oh my God. I need a break. I need to go on a vacation. Yeah, good for you. And make sure, guys, to like and subscribe to make more books like these. And please, Miss, will you subscribe? I need subscribers. I'm poor.